मोटिवेशन कि अपने जो मेरा फियर है क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया उसको ओवरकम कैसे करना है। और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है जिससे भी मैंने पूछा है और उन्होंने बोला कि लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है तो इसको करना चाहिए। बहुत डाइसी था, बहुत कंफ्यूज था, बहुत बार मीटिंग्स करने के बाद भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था, तो एंड में मैंने कहा कि चलो हर किसी को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है, करना चाहिए।
To face my fears, I think I've been always doing something that really puts me out of my comfort zone. So I am in for it. I am game, and I'm fatu also. So let's see. Yeah.
I think the name itself here, Khatron Ke Khiladi. It's one of the biggest reality shows on Colors. So I was looking forward for an opportunity like this, and it just came my way.
मोटिवेशन नहीं था यार, मोटिवेशन नहीं एक्चुअली, थोड़ा सा अपने डर को भगाने का तरीका भी होता है और खुद का एक एंटरटेनमेंट भी होता है। सो मुझे लगता है कि बिकॉज आई वाज बैक, यू नो, आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन अ टीवी शो, देन बीच में मैंने एक वेब भी कर लिया, तो मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा सा अच्छा है, मज़ा आ जाएगा, ब्रेक लेंगे। और रोमानिया में हो रहा है इस बार, सो विच इज़ वेरी नाइस। रोमानिया इज़ अ न्यू कंट्री फॉर खतरों, and it is larger than life this time. It is bigger, better, and I thought कि इस बार जाना बनता है, मज़ा आएगा।
So this show actually came to me for the first time 2 years ago. You know, at the time, I felt like I was in such a different phase of my life where I didn't really feel so ready to put myself out there. You know, it's a very vulnerable position to be in, especially reality, where you're putting out every aspect of you, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it for the world to see. And you know, at the time I just didn't feel ready. I didn't really feel secure enough. But fast forward to 2 years later, I'm sitting here, you know, talking to you guys, and I'm actually doing the show, which is insane. It feels surreal. But I just feel like I'm in such a great place right now where I feel confident, I feel secure, I feel like everything has its right time, and you know, this is exactly when it had to play out. I'm ready to connect to you know, the wide audience that watches the show, and it's a blessing to be a part of such a massive platform.
The fact that I like to put myself through challenges and overcoming them and seeing myself on the other side successful. Like literally.
To surprise myself honestly, because you know, I have not had any interaction ever with crocodiles or snakes or you know, anything height. So I know for a fact that you know, it's going to make me stronger, and after the show I'll be like, बस ये हो जाएगा।
Yeah, नहीं. I keep myself away from it. I take it day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So when I'll face it, I'll know, and I think I have a lot of energy from my dad, so I will use it.
I have a lot of expectation which is like completely zero. Yeah, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन अगर कोई कर भी रहा है तो गलत है, क्योंकि केकड़े, क्रोकोडाइल, लायन जो भी होंगे, है ना, उनसे अपना जो टीवी के अलावा कभी ऐसा इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं है, किसी का भी नहीं हुआ होगा। थोड़े बहुत थाईलैंड अगर कोई गए होंगे तो, नॉटी बॉयज़ जो भी थाईलैंड गए होंगे तो उनका इंटरेक्शन थोड़ा लॉयन वायन से हुआ होगा। अदरवाइज आई थिंक इट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, सिर्फ ऐसा रखना चाहिए कि आप इंजॉय कर रहे हो और आप you are just being in the moment and enjoying whatever you see, because this is one of its lifetime experience. I think whether it is the stunts, whether it is helicopters and this and that, and it's so larger than life that अगर आप रोहित शेट्टी की मूवी में काम कर रहे हो तो बात अलग है, अदरवाइज रोहित शेट्टी के सीरियल में काम करें जिसका नाम है खतरों के खिलाड़ी, और वो एक्सपीरियंस लें।
मैम अच्छा करना है, गिव अप नहीं करना है, हर टास्क परफॉर्म करना है, और इस बार तो ट्रॉफी लेके आनी है।
I think for me, my mantra all day has just been to, you know, seize the day, carpe diem. I just want to go with the flow. I don't want to restrict myself. I want to go with an absolutely open mind, not overly prepare for anything, because, you know, just in case something doesn't go my way, I don't want to be thrown off that way. So I think just going with an absolutely clean slate, not really expecting much, and just giving it my best, you know, and just appreciating this opportunity that I have that, you know, no amount of money could buy, and so many people would probably want to do. But I'm lucky enough to actually go live and do. I think that's probably the way I'm looking at it and going about my journey.
In my own list of testing myself, it's a litmus test for myself basically in terms of my mental strength, my physical strength. Actually, more than physical, it's the mental strength, you know. How much I really can and how much I cannot. What are my boundaries? It's exploring and getting to know yourself a little more than one would know.
I think my biggest strength definitely has to be my mental strength for sure. And my weakness, I'm kind of scared of heights, so we'll see when we get there.
Biggest strength for the show is my name, Kedar. That's my dad's name. That's my strength. And my weakness to the show will be मैं बहुत बड़ा फट्टू हूँ, मैं लिटरली हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ों से डर लगता है बहुत जल्दी से. एंड देन आई हैव अ वे टू टैकल विद इट और हैंडल इट. दैट इज समथिंग, यस, बट द इनिशियल इज या.
I don't know. I think I don't give up very easily. I think that could be a strength. Not the biggest strength, but that could be one of my strengths. And weakness, I don't know. Sometimes I I have a problem holding my nerves. So वो मुझे पर मैं कर लेता हूँ, manage कर लेता हूँ बहुत बार.
My biggest strength and weakness in the show. My biggest strength is that I think Rohit sir will be reasonable because he's a nice guy. Biggest weakness is entire whatever you see is completely weakness, है ना. मुझे ना एडवेंचर का शौक है, ना मुझे केकड़े और चूहा और ऐसे इन चीज़ों का कोई भी शौक है, ना ही मैं मच्छी मार्केट गया हूँ देखने, है ना. तो मैंने फिशेस भी बाद में एक्वेरियम में मैंने फिशेस देखी हैं, उसके अलावा मैंने फिशेस भी लिमिटेड ही एडिशन में देखी हैं क्योंकि आई एम एलर्जिक टू फिश. सो एक्चुअली सारा वीकनेस ही वीकनेस है.
Well, I think I do not have a phobia of heights, so I'm very excited for that I can perform height scenes well, but I'm a little nervous about the stunts where I have to be in an enclosed space.
So my biggest strength is I don't give up easily, and actually that is also my biggest weakness because I don't give up. खत्म भी हो गया होता है फिर भी मैं लगा रहता हूँ कुछ ना कुछ. So you can count that as both.
Oh my god. So honestly, I'll be very like, I am a veg and plus I'm from Gujarat. So I've definitely taken khakra and thepla and all. But also I like my ginger tea my way. So I'm taking gingers as well. I don't know, like yeah.
I will be carrying my mama का आशीर्वाद and उनकी photo with Papa and Hanuman Chalisa. These are the two basic essentials I need. Yeah, बाकी I'll manage.
First is my parents' blessing, very important. I'm carrying that. Second is a lot of prayers that I have done and a return of those prayers from God. है ना. इस बार मैं सब जाके बोल रहा हूँ, देखो मैंने बहुत सालों से प्रे किया, प्लीज बचा लेना. And the third is I am being very nice to the team, you know, so that they be nice to me. 3 important things to survive for at least 3 days. उसके बाद का पता नहीं. राम भरोसे. जय श्री राम.
Oh, well, honestly, it's just my mother's love, father's support, and there's this babooti, which is some religious kind of tika you carry with yourself, so that.
Essential है. एक तो लॉकेट है गणेश जी का जो मैं हमेशा पहनता हूँ, अभी भी मेरे पास है, अभी पहना नहीं हुआ. और फ़ोन तो होगा, तो मम्मा पापा की फ़ोटो की तो वो नहीं है क्योंकि वीडियो कॉल हो ही जाएगी. मेन तो वही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एसेंशियल होना चाहिए फ़ोन ऑब्वियसली. और मिस करूँगा अपने रूम को जो मेरा बॉम्बे में रूम है, क्योंकि उसको मैंने अच्छे से क्रिएट किया है, सुंदर सा बनाया, तो उसको मिस करूँगा बस.
Lots of footwear, lots of activewear, and I think just lots of great blessings. I think that I need the most.
I really liked the way Divyanka did her stunts. And the other was, I think, Dino from the last season. Yeah, he was also very good, very raw, very real.
Nia Sharma, I really loved, how calm she was most of the times while doing the stunts. And although it was difficult, the stunts were like really difficult, we could see that that woman is not giving up. She's chanting God's name and she's doing the stunts.
I've not seen too many of them. I think Rohit Shetty sir is the biggest inspiration anybody could have. But last season मैंने देखा, because I'm doing this, so I thought Dino was very good in that season.
So I've not watched any of the seasons, but standalone episodes here and there I've watched, and I think Ravi has done well. Karan Bahi, I saw their bit of stunts, and Bakhtiar, a couple of more friends, but I've not really followed any of the seasons as such.
Karishma Tanna has 100% been my inspiration. She conducted herself so well throughout the show, not just one such an incredibly difficult show, but also just looked like an absolute badass and very good doing it, which is a very hard task to do.
I think I won't just have to look at the winners. I think everyone who's just been a part of this show, because it's not an easy show to be a part of, So I think everyone is a winner who's had the guts to be a part of a show like this. Well, you're watching the Lady Singham right now, and who cares about the Singham? We have Rohit Shetty.
Oh Lord, what is Lady Singham? नहीं भाई, मैंने ऐसे कुछ सोचा नहीं. आई थिंक शिल्पा लेडी सिंघम टाइप्स है थोड़ी. वो है, मतलब जो मन में वो बोल देती है और वैसा है. बट बाकी आई डोंट नो. नहीं, सिंघम सबसे बड़ा वहाँ पे बैठा है भाई, सबको गाइड करने के लिए. उनके सामने कहाँ कौन सिंघम.
Of course, our boss Rohit Shetty, he is the singer of the show, and अगर उनके बाद कोई second उस पे आएगा तो मैं होऊंगा. I'm there to take the stand.
Put me in a cop uniform, I'll do a bloody good job of being a lady singer, so yes.
Rohit sir.
I hope so. That's gonna be me.
Definitely stunts. I think Rohit sir is going to be very cool.
I'm sure Rohit Shetty sir can't be that scary as stunts, so I'm taking stunts. Yeah.
Rohit Shetty stunts.
Rohit Shetty.
I would like to believe it is the stunt.
Everyone, because Khatro is a show जहाँ पे आपकी अलग-अलग strengths check होती है, so fears check होते हैं, so I'm sure everyone has different strengths and weakness and fears, so everyone.
My fear.
I don't know. It could be anybody. If I name one, then that would be underestimating the rest of them.
I think me. Should ask everybody else.
मैम सच बताऊँ तो सारे बहुत कंपटीशन है. मैंने नाम देके सबसे मिला, सब बहुत टफ है इस बार.
Neither.
Reptiles, height or water. So I'll rate them height, water, reptiles.
None of the above. Going to bed is my favorite stunt.
Water and heights both have an element of fun to them. So, but between the two, I'm probably going to say water. I'm a water baby. Yeah.
Anything but reptiles. All are my favorite. Other than that,
Singham.
all of them, yeah. But I loved Golmaal. I think I really enjoyed Golmaal.
मेरी है गोलमाल 1, वो मेरे फ़ोन में अभी भी डाउनलोडेड है. मैं इस आते हुए भी देख रहा था फ्लाइट में.
It's probably going to be the Singham that's coming up because my brother's in it.
Singham.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी आफ्टर बिग बॉस.
हम खतरों किया ही नहीं और बिग बॉस कर लिया, तो अभी तो बिग बॉस.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Come on, I'm doing खतरों के खिलाड़ी now, ना? खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी, of course.
That's gonna happen with me.
Honestly, I am, because as a kid I've had like a lot of fear of heights in general, so I think I would love to overcome that this time around.
हे भगवान, इतनी हाइट में होते हैं? नहीं, ऐसा लग रहा होगा. एक्चुअल है. नहीं 0 यहाँ दूसरे मैं खुद तीसरे माले से ऊपर नहीं गया हूँ लाइफ में.
Yeah, everything is doable. I'm going to do it only once in my life here. I have to do everything. Whether I do it good or bad, that we'll see. But I don't know.
अरे piece of cake for lions. I will be a piece of cake for lions. So yeah.
के शेरों के सामने तो मैं 10 on 10 हूँ. बब्बर शेर डरेगा नहीं शेरों से.
Oh, this one, this doesn't scare me. I'd say 1. 0. Is 0 allowed? Okay, 0.
Oh, 6.5, 7. Yeah, animals is little out of your control. So
आई भाई ये कौन सा फियर है? तो दर्द है यार. मतलब इट्स लाइक व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस टू मी? नो. या
So your tolerance to torture has to be high, right? Let's see. वो वहाँ पे पता चलेगा. सब अपने cards में यहाँ पे नहीं करूँगा. छोड़ दो.
ये भी होता है शो में. अरे सुनो कलर्स, कैन यू रिकंसिडर मी गोइंग. अच्छा हाँ.
5.
Oh my god! This. Okay, I think I am mentally prepared for this one as well. For some reason. For a naughty reason.
oh, wow. ये सारे सीजन देखने चाहिए थे. ये कौन से सीजन में है? Clearly haven't seen this before, so no idea how this will be. I don't know, like 5.
Okay, I think I'm prepared for this. I'll have to just pep talk myself, and I think I'll be able to do this.
yeah, okay, whatever. yeah.
What is the procedure to change the show? Guys, reptiles? नहीं यार, 0 यार. मैंने कभी reptile मैंने कभी देखा है? हाँ, नागिन शो में. नहीं, वो भी CG था. I am fully prepared and gamed for this show. जीत का जज्बा है. सुनो मुझे जाना है, घर जाना है.
I'm prepared for that.
-100. Please don't even show me. समझ गया.
Trust these buggers, but I would like to, since I like them and I hope they like me too. 6.5.
Arey yaar. Oh, I know this. This is the one where they like. This is the thing that rotates. Yeah. OMG. Okay. I'm just going to hold my breath, and I honestly don't know how am I going to do this if this happens.
I've seen this one. This is a really difficult stunt, and I know that Karan Wahi got eliminated in this one, and Archana did a really good job. So yeah, I'm very excited. Hina Khan also did really well in this one, so I think I'll be able to do it.
Oh man, yeah, okay. So I'm comfortable in the water, but this whole spinning thing, I mean, that'll just disorient anyone, you know? So this is hard. I'd probably give this a 7, a 6.5 or a 7.